guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the color of video effects on CapCut PC. So you'll see some of these have this flame effect, and you kind of want to change the color of the flame. So you're going to just select a color and add it on top of the video effect. Go to blend mode and choose a linear burn, and as you can see, the color of the flame changes. It does kind of delete some of the effect a little bit. That's why you have to just play around with the options here. Maybe like this darken one. Again, you can do this on many of the effects, like for instance this one. I want to change the color of the pumpkin, and I want to change it to this green color. I can do that. Again, just add it on top, go to blend mode and select linear burn, and as you can see, it's like this green color. Now if you want to apply it on top of videos, you do have to export it, because if I selected this and created a compound clip, it will disappear. So you do have to export it to add it on some of the your videos. We also have this one. I want to change it to this one. I'm just going to add this color on top, and again choose linear burn. Hold on. Okay, there you go. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!